today I'm going to show you how to close any prospect with these 5 simple words. But first, if you are not currently subscribed to our YouTube channel, click below, subscribe now, right? Do us a solid. And if you like the video, go ahead and give credit where credit is due. Hit that like button and keep us going. So back to those 5 little words. Tell me more about that. These 5 words are very powerful. You could also ask the question, why is that important to you? In our job as salespeople, we have to become a problem solver because ultimately we want people to know that our company will solve their problems. But you can't make the mistake of thinking that you know what their problem is, because everyone has different problems, okay? Everybody has different perceptions, different views of reality. To some people, the biggest sticking point they have is maintenance concerns. To others, it's tenant screening. And that challenge is you don't really know because they are different. So what do we have to do? We have to dig deeper. Most property managers will stop without using the digging deeper questions or phrases, okay? But what happens? I mean, you get stuck and you don't get enough information. Once the prospect starts feeling that you are really listening, really actively listening to them, you're going to start building trust and rapport, and it's just going to be a heck of a lot easier to get the appointment or to close the deal. So a way that you can ask that question is, or use that phrase, is if someone says that their pain point is, well, I want to make sure that you have this maintenance issue covered. Okay, so we don't really know what their issue is around it, and we don't want to just be order takers and just answer their question. So that's when we'll throw it back to them and say, yeah, absolutely, that's great. I understand. It sounds like, you know, maybe you have some holdups with maintenance. Tell me a little bit more about that. And use your inflection. Get into it because you're curious. We're a detective. We have to find out what's going on. So use those 5 words. Use more digging deeper questions, and you will start building more trust and more rapport with your clients right away. Hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can get you more awesome content like this. All right, see you later. Bye.